Hello guys, a very happy International Chess Day to everyone.
Today, as we celebrate this special milestone, let us look at the incredible legacy of a game that has truly become a universal language. So, why do we celebrate on 20th of July every year? Well, this date marks the birthday of International Chess Federation, which is known as FIDE. It was founded in Paris all the way back on July 20th, 1924. Think of FIDE as the regulatory body of the chess world. They handle everything from player ratings and awarding the legendary Grandmaster's title to the massive chess Olympiads and the World Chess Championships. Today, they have over 190 member countries, making it one of the biggest sports organizations on the planet.
Now, even though the game's modern headquarters is in Paris, chess originated from an entirely different country. Modern chess actually originated right here in India, around the 6th century. Back then, it was not called chess, it was called as Chaturanga. The word Chaturanga refers to the four divisions of the ancient Indian military: the infantry, the cavalry, the elephants and chariots. As the game traveled across Persia and into Europe over hundreds of years, those ancient military divisions beautifully transformed into the piece we play with today: our pawns, knights, bishop and rooks.
So when you look at the numbers today, more than 600 million people worldwide play chess and millions of games are played online every single day. While countries like Russia, the US, Germany and Ukraine have historically produced the highest number of grandmasters, the global balance of power is shifting incredibly fast and India is leading the charge. Our modern chess journey really took off in 1988 when Vishwanathan Anand became India's first grandmaster. In the decades that followed, that single spark has turned into an absolute explosion. Today, India has proudly crossed a milestone of 100 grandmasters. So we have a brilliant new generation of youngsters like Gukesh, Pragyananda, Arjun and Arvind, who are completely dominating the global stage and cementing India's place as an absolute superpower. So as we celebrate the International Chess Day, we are celebrating much more than just a board game. We are celebrating a beautiful tradition that started as an ancient Indian game and now it is inspiring millions of minds across the globe. So if you are already a player, let today remind you to keep learning and enjoying the board. And if you have never played before, there is no better time than right now to sit down, look at the board and make your first move. Happy International Chess Day.